Hey you, welcome to my channel EEMSDIARY, and in this video I'm getting ready. I'm not sure what I was getting ready for, but I was going out. So in this video I'm just going to show you my skin prep, styling my hair, and also a little bit of makeup, get myself together. Sorry for the voice. I had a traditional wedding this past weekend, and yeah, I'm getting old. I need at least 2 days to recover. The wedding was 2 days. So first the traditional and then the white wedding. Ghanaian, and my cousin was the one that got married. So it was a big celebration, and this is the end result, my voice being cracky. But let me not ramble too much, and let's get into the video. I just want to have a little chit chat. So today's chit chat is all going to be about social media. Listen, there's a lot happening on social media, and I think for the past 3 years, I am really, let me say, I'm trying to be intentional about what I watch and what I listen to, but yeah, it's getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. And now that I'm on TikTok as well, listen, oh my days, my brain is on 10. So I'm just want to talk about being mindful of the things that you are listening to, that you are watching, the advice that you are taking in. Like even with myself, yes, I have a channel, I have a blog where I share about healthy hair care, where I share a bit of my personal life, not too much because I am a private person, but I do see the importance of sharing, and yeah, maybe my journey can also help you, right? But I also know that some information is not good for the mind. I know that some information is not uplifting. It is not encouraging. So I just want to talk about finding your own identity. Find your own identity in this world of social media that we're living in. So let me give you a clear example. I am 37. I am still single. And there are a lot of advice being thrown when it comes to how to find a partner, how to handle yourself. And I noticed that when you don't know who you are, when you don't know your own values, your beliefs, it is really easy to follow somebody else, their mindset. And again, it is not wrong to listen to somebody. Like even myself, I listen to some certain podcasts when it comes to relationships. I listen to certain podcasts when it comes to how to be a wife, because at the end of the day, yeah, I want to be married. I want to have a husband. I want to build that family foundation, but I'm also a Christian. So I listen to certain people. I listen to certain advice that will uplift me or open my eyes to certain things. So that's why I said in the beginning, it is really, really important to know what is your identity. Who are you as a woman? What do you stand for? What do you believe in? Because some advice will maybe not fit into your into your beliefs. So especially nowadays when the red pill is really, really heavy, the like, I remember, maybe I'm getting a little bit off track, but I remember there was a time I was really listening to femininity or feminine based content. And there was one video I was listening to her, and I was like, this video was so based on how to mislead a man, how to attract a man, how to be in your dark feminine. And I was like, listen, this is not the type of advice that I need to hear and that I want to hear. So yeah, I switch off immediately, right? But also when we look at, for example, this past few weeks, the Dear Future podcast has been on fire, right? And especially when it comes to the guest that he has on. And when you hear the title Dear Future Wife, you'll be thinking like, okay, that is a good podcast to listen to. But to be honest, the type of guest that he has on for the past few months, yeah, nah, the advice that people be giving and the story that they the story that they are sharing is not a story that, in my eyes, let me give my own opinion, in my eyes, is uplifting and encourage for a young lady that that aspire to be married, that aspire to have a healthy God-centered relationship, right? So with all that being said, it's a lot going on social media. So for me at the moment, I'm trying to limit my social media activities and really focus on what is important. So what do? I do read books. I really love to read books that will help me with my own growth when it comes to learning new skills or setting traits within me that I know that I need to work on so that I can be a better woman, so I can be a better friend, so I can be a better sister, and in the future be a good wife to my husband. But I also like to read books when it comes to my career. I work in the HR field. I've been a recruiter, IT recruiter for the past 7 years. And this year I pivot to more into an HR role. So I like to work and build on myself. And when I decide to go on social media, I really listen to girls that are, let's say, in the same journey or are further along. So what they share that I can get some some pieces that will help with my own journey, right? And that is why it is really, really important that you be intentional to who you listen to, because again, there are a lot of talk on social media. Even when it comes to hair care, find the person that you can relate to. Find the person that you think, you know what, she is giving sound advice. It is also good to do your own research, right? Like, again, let me use myself as an example. I give hair care advice based on my own hair journey, but also based on the articles that I've read or listened to specific hairstylists that really focus on hair growth, length retention. So I really find it important that I also do the research and do the proper work so that I can give out great information, right? I am not a person that follows the hype. I am not a person that will promote a specific product because I know I can get money off of it. No, I really want to make sure that I inspire and I'm able to give somebody the confidence when it comes to taking care of your own hair. So social media, again, is really, 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 really it's really hectic. Like, even myself, sometimes I'm like, you know what? Let me take a step back. But yeah, sometimes I fall in that rabbit hole that in the morning when I wake up, I grab my phone and I'll be on TikTok scrolling. And I'm like, you know what, Amelia, put your phone down. So again, let's bring it back. Who are you as a woman? Like, what do you believe in? What are your values? What do you find important? And make sure that that is the type of information that you are going to search online, because not everybody is and then I don't want to be wrong, right? I don't want to give off that people are not good. I just want to say that be intentional who you listen to for your own growth, for your own confidence, for your own uplift. Like, make sure that you are good, right? Okay, that was my little chit chat for today. Yeah, I felt like talking. Most of the times I will put a motivational video in the background, and I thought, you know what, let me have a chit chat with my girls. So if you like this type of chit chat, let me know in the comment so that I know that I need to do more of this type of voiceover. Also, visit my blog, Eems Diary. There I share more of my personal side. And yeah, I thank you for watching. We're at the end of the video. I'm all done to go outside. All the products that I've used are in the description, and I will see you the next time. All right, bye ladies.